Hi there people from Lore Music Academy. Have you wondered why the groove in this song is so cool? Why it makes you feel like dancing? I'm going to show you two tricks about this tune that is going to be quite useful for those who produce dance music to achieve a great groove in your tracks. So like this video and subscribe to our channel if you didn't do so yet, because you're about to take one more step for becoming a great producer. So let's get going. First thing you need to know that is present in this song, and it's essential for making a good groove in dance music, is the use of upbeats in the bass. Upbeat is an unaccented division of time, and you can easily spot it if you turn a metronome on. The metronome always plays in the downbeats. I rewrite this sequence so you can see better where the notes are placed in time. The first one is only in the downbeat. The second is in the fourth subdivision of 16th notes. These two in the third, and the last in the second subdivision. So it sounds like this. It's already a good groove, but it gets even better if I trim the notes out of the downbeats. Now the second trick is applied here is a swing. Swing is a shift of the note's time so that it feels more like a dotted pattern. Usually you can add a swing simply by dragging a bar or turning a knob like this. In many DAWs, you have the option to quantize with the swing as well. So let's compare with and without the swing so you can see how this affects the groove in the song. Right? So using these techniques, you're going to build way more interesting grooves. So if you like this video, leave a comment below writing swing or ask for anything you're in doubt with in your production. See you around.